Cash App lets you send money, invest, and manage finances on the go. This video shows you how to download and install Cash App on both iPhone and Android devices. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the blue App Store icon from your home screen to begin. Once in the App Store, tap the search icon at the bottom and type Cash App in the search bar. Press Search to find the app. Look for the official Cash App by Block Inc. It should have the green $ icon and be from the developer Block Inc. Tap the Get button next to the app. You'll need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to proceed. After authentication, the app will download and install automatically. This typically takes only a minute or two depending on your connection speed. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store. Search for Cash App. Find the official app by Block Inc. You may be asked to grant permissions for camera, contacts, and storage. The app will download and install. This usually takes less than a minute. After installation is complete, locate the Cash App icon on your device's home screen and tap it to open the application. Once the app opens, you'll need to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your email address, create a strong password, and agree to the terms of service. This process typically takes just a few minutes. Next, you'll be prompted to link a payment method to your account. You can connect a debit card, bank account, or credit card. This allows you to send and receive money, make purchases, and access other features. Simply follow the app's instructions to securely enter your payment details. To ensure security and comply with regulations, you'll need to verify your identity. For U.S. users, this typically involves confirming your phone number or providing your social security number. International users may have alternative verification methods available. In some cases, you might need to upload identification documents for features like investing or higher transaction limits. To keep your Cash App account secure after installation, enable biometric authentication. This feature allows you to log in quickly using your fingerprint or Face ID, adding a convenient layer of security without remembering passwords. For additional protection, enable two-factor authentication. This requires a second verification step, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. It helps prevent unauthorized access, even if someone gets your login credentials. Cash App protects your data with end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your transactions and personal information are secure during transmission. This means only you and authorized parties can access your data. Your linked bank balances in Cash App are protected by FDIC insurance up to $250,000. This federal insurance safeguards your funds against bank failures, providing peace of mind for your savings. Cash App offers peer-to-peer payments, allowing users to send and receive money instantly with friends and family. This core feature makes splitting bills or sending gifts quick and easy. The app includes investing capabilities, letting users buy fractional shares of stocks. This democratizes investing by allowing purchases of expensive stocks with small amounts of money. Cash App also supports Bitcoin investing, enabling users to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency directly within the app. This feature has become increasingly popular among younger users. Banking features include direct deposit, allowing employers to pay wages straight into the Cash App account. Users can also link bank accounts for easy transfers. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive navigation and simple controls. This makes it accessible for users of all technical skill levels. Cash App integrates with other Block services like Afterpay, offering buy now, pay later options. This creates a comprehensive financial ecosystem for users. The app receives regular updates with new features and security enhancements. These improvements ensure users have access to the latest technology while maintaining protection against threats. If you're having trouble downloading Cash App, the first step is to ensure your device meets the minimum requirements. For iPhone users, you need iOS 14.0 or later, and for Android, version 8.0 or higher. Next, verify that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can prevent downloads from completing successfully. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. If installation fails, Restart your device and attempt the download again. This often resolves temporary software glitches that can interfere with app installations. For persistent issues, reach out to Cash App support through the app or their website. They can assist with account verification, regional restrictions, or other specific problems. Cash App is evolving into a neobank with AI-driven financial advice and potential for cross-border transfers. As mobile payments grow, Cash App will continue to adapt with features like personalized budgeting. Mobile payments are experiencing rapid growth, with global transaction values increasing significantly. Download Cash App today and start managing your money with ease.